Hello there, welcome to this lesson about the quadratic series, and as you can see on the board, we will be evaluating the sum of a number of terms in a quadratic series. So I would like you to be able to read sigma notation in simple terms. So evaluate simply means to find the value of, and this symbol here is a sigma, which means a sum. Okay, it's a Greek symbol. So it's a sum of how many terms? The first four terms in what type of series? A quadratic series. And how do we see that it's a quadratic series? The degree of the expression there is 2, which is, representing the quadratic expression as we know it, or yes, a quadratic expression in standard format. So how can we go about providing a solution for this type of question? Firstly, expansion will be a simpler way and channel to allow you to see how the terms are ordered in the sequence itself. So you want to perform expansion here. You want to do it for at least 3 terms, because then you can pick up the pattern there, or the constant difference if it is an arithmetic series, or the constant ratio if it is a geometric series, or in this case you'll be looking for the constant second difference in a quadratic series, which there may be follow-up questions based on that. Okay, so we're given 4 terms here, so we can do it for all 4 terms, the expansion. So term 1, this is our lower limit, this is our upper limit. Okay, so we're dealing with this type of number line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going in this direction. Okay, so our lower limit starts at 1. So the substitution that happens into the rule is starting from 1 as our lower limit there. So wherever we see n, we substitute 1 there. So it's 1 squared plus 1. This will just give us 2. Okay, term 2, we substitute 2. So it's 2 squared plus 2. It's a 4 plus 2. This gives us 6. Term 3, this will be 3 squared plus 3. This is 9 plus 3, which is what? 12. And then term 4 will be 4 squared plus 4, which is 16 plus 4, this is 20. So you'll see that I am using brackets for my substitution, and that is important to take care of sign changes. Even though there are no sign changes for this term here, if we were working with negative terms and you didn't put brackets and you are squaring, you end up with a negative value, which is incorrect. Okay, so it is just getting into the habit of using brackets each time you substitute to take care of changes that come with that process. Okay, so let's write this neatly. Term 1 is 2, term 2 is 6, term 3 is 12, term 4 is 20. What does this notation mean? It just means to sum, meaning to add all the values of the terms, or the number of terms that you're looking for. We're looking for the first 4 terms in this quadratic series. So we just produce the operation there, we add. Okay, so 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 12 is 20, plus 20, this summation will give you 40. So therefore, the sum of the first 4 terms in this type of a quadratic series, the value of this sum is equal to 40. Okay, so that is how you respond to sigma notation questions. And I believe, this lesson has been helpful to, shed some light there. Watch out for the next video. I'll be talking about sigma notation using a quadratic, not a quadratic, but a geometric series, as well as an arithmetic series. Keep well so long. Thank you. Sharp, sharp.